This Christmas, some radio clubs will gather, laugh, and share fellowship. Others won't. Not because the bands are dead. Let's talk about why. Merry Christmas. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. You know, like I said in the opening monologue there, some clubs will gather and have a club party and share food and laughs and that kind of stuff. But others won't. And it's not because the bands are dead. It's because the club died first. Empty meetings, no young faces, politics instead of purpose, ritual instead of relevance. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. It doesn't have to end this way. This doesn't have to be your club's final Christmas tree. A club only dies when it forgets why it existed to begin with. It wasn't created to collect dues or pass around the minutes or debate bylaws like they're sacred scripture. Clubs exist for connection, learning, friendship, purpose, and service. Somewhere along the line, we replaced community with complacency. So let's bring it back. This Christmas, if you want to save your club, make it welcoming, not intimidating, not territorial, not cliquish. Say hello to the new guy. Even if he does have a hoodie and a bow thing on, say hello to him. Make him feel welcome. Invite him to sit with you. Ask what brought him in. Don't mock somebody's bow thing. Teach them how to use it. Stop lecturing. Start mentoring. And here's the big one. Actually do things. Operate. Volunteer. Train. Serve. Experiment. Get on the air together. Because a club that doesn't do anything will die faster than a repeater on backup power. Pardon. That's why today's video is sponsored by World Radio League. WorldRadioLeague.com, because World Radio League is exact opposite of stagnation. World Radio League is about operating, contesting, building skill, competition, challenging yourself, and staying active on the air. World Radio League is proof that radio can still be exciting, modern, competitive, and fun. And frankly, that's what clubs need to return to. So go check out worldradioleague.com and use coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get 10% off their already great prices. But also, try it out. It's free. There are free uses of World Radio League. So go check them out. WorldRadioLeague.com, coupon code HamShackTV. So if you want to save your club, make it feel like it matters again. Make people look forward to the club meetings. Give them a reason to show up. Involve new operators in real roles. Celebrate achievements that aren't tied to age or seniorship. Make the club reflect the warmth, the generosity, and unity that Christmas is supposed to represent. Because ham radio clubs don't die. They fade away when people stop caring. So this year, be the person who cares. Invite somebody. Mentor somebody. Lead by example. Build instead of criticize. Don't let this be the final Christmas for your club. Make it one where everything turned around. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you watching. Live, learn, transmit. And make your club a place worth walking into. Guys, I can't thank y'all enough. Appreciate you tuning in. Hope you're enjoying this content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know how your club's doing down in the comments. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.